Step 5. How to do group changes and rearrange the quote. Now let's look at how to edit multiple line items more efficiently. For example, let's say these 3 items belong to bedroom 2. We'll update the measurements to 1400 and select a different product group, fabric, and color. Whenever you change the measurements, the system will automatically reset the material and color selections. This helps ensure that you always choose the correct options for the new dimensions. You can also rearrange your line items to match the order you'll walk through the customer's home. Simply enable sort, then drag and drop each item into the order you prefer. The quote will follow that same sequence. Now let's say the customer decides to add another item that's almost identical to an existing one. Instead of entering all the information again, simply select the item and click Copy. The system will create an exact duplicate of that line item. From there, you can make any changes you need, such as updating the room name to bedroom 3. This makes creating large quotes much faster and eliminates unnecessary retyping.